You're gonna love the 2017 Nissan Altima. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Nissan Altima, the midsize sedan with available all-wheel drive and standard driver assist safety features. Its spacious, well-equipped cabin, flexible layout, comfortable ride, and sporty performance make road trips a joy. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, remote engine start, backup camera, 4-cylinder engine, alarm, tire pressure monitoring system, power driver seat, stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.